with my team SPOM, and I wrote this book called Stop Picking on Me, which is about stopping you picking on you, but anyway, this is Sophia and this is Pamela, and they are here today to assist me in demonstrating to you a couple of the recipes. Actually, today we're going to do just one recipe that's in this book, and I encourage you to rethink your choices when you go to the store. So you can go and spend a lot of money on very expensive cosmetics. You go to Sephora Place or Whole stuff. You can go to those places and you can spend a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
And or you can go buy a little sugar, a little applesauce, a little oil, and you can have a lot more product and a lot healthier product, a lot cleaner product, and your skin will be a lot happier. So today I'm actually going to be the guinea pig, and so I will need your assistance, ladies.
Yes.
We are going to make a sugar scrub, and I have chosen the sugar scrub today because it is both exfoliant and it is also hydrating, and I have dry skin because I live in the desert. So without much further ado, all you need is 1 bowl and 1 spoon. That's all the equipment you need for these recipes.
So simple.
So simple. We pre-measured our ingredients out because we're just so professional. And we have Sophia's beautiful kitchen. This girl has so many little glass bowls.
Yes, I do.
You do?
I love glass bowls.
Why do you love glass bowls so much?
Because you can get them clean and know that they're clean. It
yeah.
feels different than
Yeah.
plastic, and
Yeah.
it feels more natural.
Well, I'm very grateful that you have little glass bowls because it makes us look so professional. And my lovely, charming ladies here pre-measured my ingredients, which are 3 tablespoons of Turbinado raw cane sugar. You can use any sugar you like, just make sure it's organic because you are putting it on your face. So let's go for it. Let's get organic, and you're not using that much. And then we are also doing 3 tablespoons of applesauce. Applesauce.
Yummy.
And here's, huh?
This seems like the start of a recipe.
Yeah, I
I know. And see, the thing, you can eat this, all the stuff that we're putting on our skin, we can eat. And what did we learn? You don't put anything on our skin that we would not eat.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
And this is some lovely olive oil. And so the olive oil is just to kind of hold it together and also add a little moisturizing. So who wants to stir?
Thank you.
Sophia is my fine stirrer. So, I'm using my cheat sheets because I am not a monster brain. I sometimes forget things. So, I am using the sugar because the sugar has glycolic acid, which is an AHA, an alpha hydroxy acid, which they put in. I used to actually do a night cream when I was still picking, and I was right on that cusp of when I stopped picking, and I was using a nightly AHA cream, and it really did help an awful lot, and it was a glycolic acid cream. But it was sugar-based, and I could have just been putting sugar on my face and saving so much money. Hold on. So that's from the cane sugar. The apples have another form of AHA, which is a malic acid. Both apples and pears have that. And lastly, we have the sugar, which adds a little bit of the grittiness, the exfoliating. And also, believe it or not, sugar may not be so good for you internally, but actually externally, it has a hydrating qualities. I did not know that before researching this book. But I did a lot of research on this book, so I'm taking my glasses off. It's officially my turn.
Rolling the sleeves up.
Putting the hair back. All right. Ooh, you know, I just want to eat this.
I just did.
Oh my gosh, that feels so good, putting applesauce on my face. I just got applesauce on your floor. This
Look it up.
feels so wonderful. Tastes pretty good too.
It does.
You want to taste some?
I would.
This is so good. Do you guys want to put some on? No, you've already done masks.
Yeah.
That is really good.
Okay, so I'm going to go wash my face off. Would you guys like to entertain the camera while I... Alright, we'll edit that out. No?
Alright. The other wonderful thing that I've enjoyed with mini sugar scrubs as well as salt scrubs is once the water
when you start rinsing it off, it dissolves and it just melts on the skin. And once it dries up, well, we'll let Anon share what it feels like because I know how yummy it is. Wow. Okay, so that was really fascinating. It's the first time I've ever done an applesauce mask. But it feels, my skin, I think maybe the olive oil helped, but my skin feels so hydrated.
It looks really nice.
Does it look different?
It's a little brighter.
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
It feels, because the glycolic acid
Oh.
and the malic acid? The AHAs, whatever, those things.
The applesauce.
The applesauce. Thank you. Those things, just like with both of your masks, your grapefruit and your...
Either the honey or the goat's milk.
Yes. That is like actually making fresh skin cells come out.
Ah.
So all three of us have fresh faces.
We're fresh.
Sorry, I can't see them. Fresh what?
Team SPOM.
All right. So there you go. You now, you have this video, and if you're interested in the 2 other masks, there are 2 other videos down there someplace around, scroll your screen, whatever. Anyway, we have 3 scrubs that we have demonstrated for you. So you have no excuse not to go to the store, buy yourself some inexpensive but high quality produce and items, and treat yourself to a foodie scrub. And treat your skin the way it deserves to be treated, and treat yourself the way that you deserve to be treated. Because you really do. You've been picking on yourself for so long. It's time you start elevating yourself and loving yourself. And that is my message to you today from all of us here at Team SPOM. Team SPOM!
The statements in this video have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The information, including but not limited to text, graphics, images, and other material contained in this video are for informational purposes only. The purpose of this video is to promote broader consumer understanding of various health and spiritual topics. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a licensed qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment, and before undertaking a new healthcare regimen. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard online. Anand and Team SPOM do not recommend or endorse any specific tests, physicians, products, procedures, opinions, or other information that may be mentioned. Reliance on any information appearing in this video or any online videos is solely at your own risk. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss, damage, or injury caused directly or indirectly by the information contained herein. Know that this life is ephemeral and is calling on you to heal. Thank you for being part of my journey.
Stop picking on me! Stop picking on me. Like pretend you're here. Okay?
You're me, I am you.